concept of using stucco mixtures was used on the walls of frescoes by the Greeks and Romans and was painted on a fine-grained, hard-plastered surface made from many materials. Stucco is a mortar mix used for siding and can be made by mixing water, sand, and other ingredients. The majority of the time it is made from cement. The walls that are used for the stucco mixture are wooden and covered with tar paper and chicken wire. But some companies use galvanized metal screening. The techniques used in stucco were invented by Italians, and the idea expanded across Europe and the rest of the world. Years later, in the 1950s, stucco was used to build many homes. Mock stucco siding is composed of walls with foam insulation, boards, or cement panels to secure them. The material made from genuine stucco is solid and will less likely take damage from a hard hit. The holds up well in wet conditions because it can dry easily without damage to the structure, unlike synthetic stucco. Applying stucco to any home can enhance the beauty and increase the skills of the homeowner by learning how to apply this material properly. When applying stucco on existing brick, block, or other materials, brush a concrete bonding agent to the wall and then let it dry. After the mortar has hardened slightly, scratch the depth a certain distance and allow it to harden between 36 to 48 hours, and make sure to keep the surface moist. When the curing period is done, the finishing coat is applied, which can be any texture the building owner desires. When stucco is painted, wait 6 weeks and use paint that is formulated to cover stucco properly. Even though stucco is durable and easy to apply, it can still be damaged over time. Paint will sometimes cover cracks made in stucco, but there are some wide to cover and may require a brushable turmeric sealant to fix it. To keep the stucco clean and remove all contamination, use a pressure washer and put it on the lowest setting to keep from ripping a hole in the stucco. Use a cleaning agent to help the process. Make sure the stucco around doors and windows of the building are securely in place. Check if any other repairs from caulking around windows, doors, and other small repairs need to be made before completion. Stucco can be used indoor projects on ceilings and walls when the sprayer is used to spread it. Some of the reasons stucco is used inside is because of economical covering. It is very durable, water resistant, and is very versatile in texture. Before spraying, use a damp sponge to clean the area of dust. Make sure to pick up any objects near the wall, and have an empty room to walk through to get to the sprayer and walls. Before spraying, adjust the nozzle to perform the correct application, and make sure to practice before the first attempt to ensure quality. In comparison to vinyl siding, stucco is more energy efficient. The cost of stucco is cheaper than some wall materials and is thicker, which can save money on heating and cooling bills. Stucco is more environmentally friendly than other sidings that create many highly toxic byproducts, and stucco is made from Portland cement and other natural materials, which do not cause pollution. In construction concrete, stucco is a very popular material to use on sidings of commercial buildings because it provides a very lightweight and durable finish on plain or pattern walls. Concrete stucco consists of 4 layers, which are the dash coat, the scratch coat, the brown coat, and the finish coat, and if applied correctly, will become a very successful project. In preparing the concrete stucco, first clean the area of any loose particles in order for the concrete stucco to stick properly. In order to reinforce the stucco, certain materials must be added to strengthen and allow proper application onto the surface. The first coat is applied is called the dash coat and consists of 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, then water is added to the mixture, then is spread across the complete area. The second coat is the scratch coat, which is 1 part cement, 1/4 lime, and 3 to 5 parts sand. Then add water to the mix